In at the Hotel Sabała. To be honest, this is a fantastic hotel. It's
beautiful,
really pretty. It's very, it's not the most modern of hotels, but it's got lots of sort of log cabin rustic features, which is what you want from a mountain retreat. As you can see behind us, we've got this sort of big open window, and we've got views of the mountains, and we'll pop some shots in.
We'll pop the room tour in.
Thing, and we've got a room tour as well that we've done. We also, it was breakfast as well. Is included in the room rate. So, and it's in a fantastic location, right on the high street of Zakopane. So you're right in the middle of the town, with good access to sort of all the attractions around the town as well.
This is the outside of our Hotel Sabała. From the main road, there is another entrance around the other side. This is the normal way up to the restaurant if you're not staying here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Up the stairs. So the restaurant is in there.
Looking fairly quiet.
Oh, Mum and Dad are in there. There's lots of outdoor seating.
You are just right on the high street as well.
So easy. I mean, the high street, you can see it. There's a pharmacy underneath the hotel as well, so we are right on the high street. And then we'll go round to the front, which is the main hotel entrance. All the back. I'm not really sure. Taxis can't go around the other side, so this is like the main way in. From here. It's quite large, actually. Like that. And then another way into the restaurant. And there is no lift, just all stairs. We're on the second floor.
So we're here in Zakopane. We're staying at the Hotel Sabała, and this is a quick little room tour. It's very much a log cabin style hotel, so lots of nice wood features. So the entrance in here, we've got the entrance in the doorway. We've got lots of large sort of cupboards, wardrobe space, with some cubbies, shelves, and some hanging space. Apologise for our bags there. Looks like some extra blankets down at the bottom. Don't think we'll be needing those because it's about 16-17 degrees here at the moment. That's the main door back out into the hallway, and we have our bathroom. So fairly standard bathroom, but nice tiling, corner cubicle, and a basin with some hand wash. And then some shower and body gel as well, and a hairdryer, and obviously towels are provided as well. As we come back out, so we get out into the bedroom area. This is nice. This is sort of double stroke twin beds put together with the two duvets on, which is sort of typical for Poland and Germany and Austria and Switzerland. Nice sort of wooden decorative headboard, and some little side tables with a plug socket and light switch, both European plug socket and a light switch, and a reading light as well. So as we come round, we have, well, there's Emily there. Hello. Hi. We also have a large flat screen TV, and there is air conditioning and heating unit there. Now this room is a double twin room, but this is a sort of end of the corridor room. So we've got this nice little sort of seating area, and this is actually sort of like a skylight window with a seating area. And then on the sideboard we've got like a little sort of desk dresser, tea and coffee making facilities, kettle, phone, waste bin. And we've got quite a nice view of the town centre street. So I don't know if you can see down there. There is, probably can't, there is quite a lot of reflection on the glass because it's quite bright. There's actually some horses down there who are doing sort of carriage rides, and some of the local shops. Yeah, and then actually overall in the distance, again, struggling to see because of the reflection in the glass. So you've got some beautiful mountains up there that are overlooking the town of Zakopane. So again, just a quick overview of the room. I'd say quite a nice room. This is not the cheapest place to stay. The hotel has got some nice facilities. It's got a nice restaurant downstairs, also got a pool and a sauna as well. So this is our room tour of our Hotel Sabała room.
Definitely recorded.
Yeah. Selection of cold meats, cheeses.
Będzie próba odrzucenia prezydenckiego Hotel Sabała, ustalił nieoficjalnie dziennikarz Kasper Dubowski.